gonna go over a trade that that was a loss, but like it was like the right idea. I could show on the show what I should have done. If I was a little bit more patient, I could have won, but it's the right idea. Okay, so if we go on the 4 hour, we're right here. We're in this 4 hour imbalance. We're respecting it. We also have this 4 hour imbalance that we ended up tapping into right here. Same thing, 4 hour imbalance. We're respecting it. We're also respecting the equilibrium of this 4 hour imbalance. Bullish on the 4 hour, and then on the 1 hour we had this high. It's daily high on Monday. We have London low and this low over here with this fair value gap. Same thing on NASDAQ. Not same thing, I'm dumb. We have this hourly low and this hourly low. So same London low timing, just not this low over here. Still haven't taken that out on NASDAQ. And then we ended up tapping into this 1 hour. So what had happened, if I just replay on the 1 minute, just waiting. Okay. So I'm pretty bullish today. Boom. So we shoot down, take this out. The first fair value gap, what we're looking for, disrespect of this, possibly displacement right here, but like the high is right here, so like I would have entered. But let's see what we're doing with that fair value gap. Okay. End up coming down more, taking out that other low, and taking out, so I haven't taken out any lows on ES, so I'm expecting like a S&T. Okay, keep shooting lower. Okay, make this pretty significant, like kind of like a swing high, and there's this fair value gap. See what we're doing with it. Shoot up. Now, if price would have closed above this fair value gap, would have been better, personally, because disrespecting, bearish inefficiency leading us to go higher. But I just fully based off of this price I entered, off of this displacement. Not even really, it's not full displacement without disrespect. I should have waited, in hindsight, to disrespect this fair value gap. Because if we look on ES, we're still not even displacing above this at all. So I entered my position right there and get stopped out. Make another fair value gap, push into that, respect it. We don't end up displacing above, still respecting this. Bam. Then we're going up, now we're coming down. But on ES, this is where the trade would have been successful. Take out both these on ES, both these lows right here. Don't get displacement like we did on NASDAQ up here, right here. But we do get strong displacement with these candles, disrespecting this fair value gap and disrespecting this fair value gap, closing above it and closing above this swing high and this high. Mainly this swing high is what I was looking at. So could have entered in this fair value gap, stop right there, and bam, would have targeted these relative equal highs, or just a 1 to 2. But yeah, what I could have done better is just waited and seen that even though we have broken structure right here, or had a market structure shift, We didn't close above this wick, so we didn't really break structure, but we had a market structure shift, and I just should have been more patient and saw that we were still respecting this imbalance heavily. Like we went up and then we closed back in below it. So just be a little bit more patient with entering. Is just having a perfect setup, not an iffy setup like this, where I'm disrespecting bearish fair value gaps, displacing pretty strong, full close candles almost. Another fair value gap to respect, and this is just a good trade right here. So overall, could have been a winning day, but it was a loss just from that simple mistake of not being patient enough to notice this, notice those things, like disrespecting key fair value gaps.